Hi there, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today I am going to show you step by step how to open a free trading demo account on core liquidity markets. Stick around until the end of the video and we will reveal one helpful tip that could be beneficial to you if you are looking to maximize your profit potential. So let's get into it. CLMarkets is an over-the-counter financial services online broker that specializes in trading through Forex, cryptocurrencies, indices, and commodities. Their trading services have been in commission since 2013 and serves traders and investors in over 100 different countries. CLMarkets accounts feature standard and ECN accounts with low minimum deposits, leverage, and spreads. Featured platform for demo and live accounts are supported on MetaTrader 4 terminal and web, which is supported on all operating systems and web browsers. If you require any assistance while on CLMarkets website, you can click on the chat support button at the bottom right of the screen here. Then, submit your name, email address, and your support query. A representative will then get back to you. Today, I am going to show you how to open a demo account on CLMarkets. Firstly, head over to their website at www.clmforex.com. On their homepage here, at the top right of the screen, you will see Start Now. Click on Start Now. Next, fill out and submit your personal information such as your name, email address, country of residence, and answer the questions that are displayed on the submission form. After you have submitted your information, you will see Welcome, you have successfully signed up for a demo account. What you'll want to do next is head over to the email address you signed up with and follow the instructions to continue. The email will provide your account login information and a link to download MetaTrader 4. Download and install MetaTrader 4. Once you have installed MetaTrader 4, log in with the information provided in the email sent by CLMarkets prior. Enter your login details and click Log In. And we're in! This is a CLMarkets demo account on MetaTrader 4 for Windows. In the center of the dashboard here, we can see our main chart windows. You can easily change your chart types here from either candlestick, bar, or line charts. You can zoom in and out of the selected main chart with the magnifying glass buttons on the right of the chart types buttons. To open one of the selected chart windows into a full screen window, simply click on the full screen button at the top right of the selected main chart window. On the left side of the dashboard here, we can see our Market Watch panel, which displays all of the trading instruments that CLMarkets provides. Because we are trading Forex, this watch list is displaying Forex currency pairs. To open an individual buy and sell order window, simply right-click on the preferred currency pair and click on New Order. This will then open an individual buy and sell order window, which displays some additional information and its own line chart. If you would like to add a selected currency pair into its own chart window, simply right-click on the preferred currency pair and select Chart Window. This will then open the currency pair in its own individual chart window in the center of the dashboard. On the bottom left of the dashboard here, we can see the currency pairs that we have added into our chart section. You can easily switch between the various currency pairs and their charts, which then get displayed in the center of the dashboard. If you ever require any assistance while using MetaTrader 4, you can click on the Help section here at the top left of the dashboard. This will then display various tutorial introduction topics to platform functionality and a variety of others to help you get started. CLMarkets also supports its own economic calendar and its very own educational blog, which covers a variety of written content for you to read through as you please. One tip that could be beneficial to you if you are looking to maximize your profit potential is to consider being realistic. And what I mean by this is that it is important for all traders to accept that there is a risk that could lead to failure through every trade that you make. It's important to consider that making profits might not be possible for every decision you make. So consider practicing and studying a variety of risk management strategies while being realistic towards your goals. This could even apply to your trading activity journal. Consider writing down your thought processes, your assumptions, and all the ideas behind the decisions to enter those trades. If you ever feel uncertain, remember that practice makes perfect. Consider practicing on a demo account until you feel confident with your risk management techniques and your goals or targets. And that's how to open a demo account on core liquidity markets. Subscribe to our channel for more helpful guides and tips. Leave us a comment. Are you a beginner, intermediate, or professional trader? And tell us which Forex platform you are currently using to trade on. And that's it from me. To open an account now, click the link in the description. Good luck.